businesses will be able to reopen in 3 northern Utah counties. Davis, Weber, and Morgan County leaders announced today enough progress has been made to reopen the economy on May 1st. Fox 13's Haley Higgins has the details from Farmington.
Davis, Weber, and Morgan counties announced what they're calling a soft opening to the economy amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
We nailed it. We feel like we threaded a very small needle.
Guidance from the state, the 3 counties work in unison to lift health orders and directives on nearly every business on Friday, May 1st.
Over the last 6 weeks, we have done what we've set out to accomplish. And that is to curb the COVID outbreak here locally.
The businesses allowed to reopen include hair and nail salons, gyms, and restaurants with sit-down dining.
We've had fallout on our local businesses, especially small businesses. So we have a responsibility as elected officials to get these businesses back in business in a timely manner, in a safe manner.
Despite criticism from physicians, county commissioners say it's been long enough to have businesses closed. When they reopen, the health department will ask employees and customers to distance themselves, use face masks, and sanitizer.
But I still am cautious. This is not over.
Within the next week, county health directors say that they will release some guidance to help those businesses as they prepare to reopen, keeping in mind the social distancing restrictions. Reporting in Farmington, Haley Higgins, Fox 13 News, Utah. And the number of COVID-19 related deaths in Utah has grown by 2, bringing the total to 34 deaths in the state. With 149 new cases today, we are up to just over 3,400 cases to date. State epidemiologist Dr. Angela Dunn says we are now at a 4.5% positive test rate, which is a slight decrease from what we've seen before. An estimated 970 people have recovered.
Today, President Donald Trump announced national parks and public lands will be reopening. However, he did not give details on when they would reopen. Interior Secretary David Bernhardt said operational changes for each specific national park will be provided soon. Governor Gary Herbert responded to the announcement saying, "I support a safe and structured reopening of Utah's 5 national parks and other national recreation areas. We look forward to working with local health departments in finalizing plans to safely get people back into Utah's own Mighty 5.
Starting tomorrow, Salt Lake City will start opening some city streets to pedestrians and bicyclists. The city says this will allow people space to recreate while also remaining at a safe distance. The first street to open will be 500 north from about Redwood Road to 800 west. The city will look at opening more streets in the coming week. A little bit of sounds of nature there. The city says factors that help determine which streets to open included community response, connections to parks and trails, emergency routes, traffic patterns, among other issues. Now, cars will still be on the street, so drivers are asked to use extra caution.
In St.